Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be looking at the change of subject of formula. And on this place we are going to make the subject to stand alone. That is what we are going to learn today. And if today is the first time of watching our channel, please can do what? Like, subscribe, share to your loved ones. Okay, in this channel we solve mathematics questions based on different topics and different textbooks. So please, okay, kindly subscribe and like. You will enjoy this our channel. Okay. Number 5 question, which says a over x plus b over y equals to a over y. And the question is, we should make a the subject of formula, so a should stand alone, which means that since here is a fraction, the addition of fraction, make it a single fraction, which means that we collect we find the LCM of xy, which is xy. So x divided x is what? Is y. Y times a is ay. These are not like a normal mass addition of fraction. Y divided y is what? X. S times b is bx equals to what? A over y. Okay, so the next thing is what? I cross multiply. Multiply. So which means this times this and this times this. So being that y bracket ay plus bx equals to a times a bracket xy. So the next thing is to do is to what? Express it now, which means that y times ay is what? Ay square plus y times bx is what? Plus bxy equals to a times xy is what? Axy. So they say we should make what? A the what? Subject of what? Formula. So all I do now is to group them. We grouping, make a to be in a separate place and other light out in a separate place, which means that bxy equals to axy minus ay square. I group them because I'm making what? A the subject of formula. So I group all the a is one side. So this is what I did here. Bxy equals to asy minus what? Ay square, which because of I square. The next thing to do is to look for what is common between both of them. What is common between asy and minus ay square? What is common is what? A and y, that is common. So since we have know what is common there, it's very, very easy to navigate. Which means that what? Bxy equals to ay. A and y is common. Since a and y is common, so I bring it down. Ay bracket. What's mean here is what? X. Mind this y square. Y is 2. So I've used only one y. Which means that which means that it's same thing with this one. This is same with this one, which means ay times x is what? Asy. Ay times minus y is what? Minus ay square. So you see that I've grouped them and make what's common one side. The next thing to do now is to divide both sides now. Divide both sides because I've got what's common there by what? By y bracket x minus y. This is what I'm going to use to divide both sides. Which means that, okay, which means let me do my fuse of what we are doing here. Okay, so which means bxy equals to what? Ay bracket x minus y. Okay, then we divide both sides by what? By y bracket x minus y, which means over y bracket x minus y over y bracket x minus y, which means y bracket x minus y divided by this. What do I have here? Is a equals to what? bsy over y bracket s minus y. Okay, or if this is my final answer. This is my final answer. Or if you don't leave it like this, or we have A equals to bxy over y times x, clear bracket, is what? xy minus y times y is what? Minus what? Y squared. So this is the final answer of this. Any of them you are still correct. So just work very well. It's very simple. Okay, very simple. And if today is the first time of watching our YouTube channel, please can you do what? Subscribe, drop a comment. Anywhere you are having difficulties on our topics or any topic of in my practice, let us know. We're going to help you. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.